Look out your window. At the ground stretching across your property, just one single acre. Most people look at this space and see a lawn, a burden, a massive stretch of green grass that requires constant mowing, burning through fuel, and stealing your weekends. It sits there, perfectly manicured, doing absolutely nothing to keep you alive. Meanwhile, inside the house, the average family is quietly bleeding cash, watching $12,000 a year vanish at the grocery store. People believe they need hundreds of acres and massive diesel equipment to break free. They believe the lie sold to us by industrial agriculture that survival requires scale. They are wrong. You are sitting on a dormant machine, a sleeping giant. The reason your land is draining your wallet instead of feeding your family is not your soil, not your climate, not your budget. It is a design failure. Most people who try to break free scatter their efforts. They put a garden in the furthest corner. They buy a few chickens and let them roam free until the birds destroy every vegetable in sight. They plant fruit trees in the shadow and wonder why they never see an apple. They fight nature. They work themselves into exhaustion, and at the end of the year, they are still buying their survival in plastic bags from a corporate supply chain. But there is a hidden architecture, an ancient, concentric strategy that kept entire families alive for centuries. It is called zone-based permaculture design. When executed with lethal precision, a single acre transforms into a closed-loop engine of total food independence. The layout connects everything into continuous, unstoppable production. It begins right at your back door. Proximity is power. Zone 1 is your high-traffic, high-output survival hub, and it must exist within 30 feet of your kitchen. Human nature is simple. If your food is 200 feet away in the cold rain, you will not harvest it. You will grab a box from the fridge instead. But when your daily calories are steps away, you tend them. This is where you practice relentless succession planting. You do not plant one row and walk away. You plant again and again every 2 weeks. When one crop finishes, the next is already rising. Even in the dead of January, you are pulling fresh greens from frozen ground. Just beyond this hub lies the second zone, the perennial food forest. This is where production shifts to autopilot. You abandon flat thinking and build a layered ecosystem. Tall apple, pear, peach trees. Beneath them, smaller trees. Below that, thick bushes and creeping strawberries covering the earth. After 2 years, this zone requires almost zero maintenance. You do not till it, you do not replant it. A single tree can drop hundreds of pounds of food for free forever. But an engine needs fuel. This brings us to livestock. These animals are not decoration. They are your biological workforce. Chickens. They do more than give eggs. They control pests and create soil. Rabbits are even more efficient. A small setup can produce massive amounts of meat year after year. And their waste feeds worms. The worms feed the soil. The soil feeds the garden. The garden feeds the animals. The loop closes perfectly. You are not managing animals anymore. You are running a machine. To sustain all this, you must change the soil itself. Never till, never destroy the living biology. Build up, not down. Compost, wood chips, layer by layer. Dead soil becomes living earth. Rich, dark, alive. And when your soil is alive, your food becomes medicine. You protect the edges, build barriers, grow your own fertilizer. Even bees join the system. They increase your yield without taking space. Everything works together. And when you execute this, the results are insane. People are making thousands per week from just 1 acre, completely off-grid. Low tech, high intelligence. And when disasters hit, their land survives, because nature protects itself. But none of this matters if you starve in winter. So you store, preserve, prepare. Food becomes security. And this is how you break free. No more dependency, no more fear, just control. It is not easy. It is hard, exhausting work. But it is real. You are no longer a consumer. You are a creator. 1 acre is enough. It always was. You just have to wake it up.